Most people think you need $10,000 to start investing. But there's a specific $1,000 blueprint that does the heavy lifting for you while you sleep. I've helped thousands of young adults start their investment journey, and I'm here to guide you through it. My expertise is in creating simple, low-risk investment strategies. I've spent years researching and testing different methods, and I'm excited to share this $1,000 blueprint with you. With this blueprint, you'll learn how to invest $1,000 for beginners and start building a diversified index fund portfolio. You'll discover the best investments for beginners and how to save money using a high-yield savings account. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to get started with investing and be on your way to building passive income streams. So let's dive in and explore the $1,000 secret to automated wealth. Here is the reality. Most of us were taught to save. Put money in a bank account and let it sit. But here is the truth. Saving is actually losing. While your money sits there, inflation is eating it alive. Your $1,000 today simply won't buy the same amount of groceries next year. And then there is the wait until trap. I'll start when I make six figures. I'll start when I have $10,000 saved. I'll start once I actually understand the stock market. But while you are waiting for the perfect moment, you are missing out on the most powerful force in finance: compound interest. Every month you hesitate is a month of growth you can never get back. And if you do try to start, it is a nightmare. You see experts screaming about the next meme coin or a secret penny stock. It feels like gambling. You are terrified of hitting the buy button and watching your hard-earned $1,000 vanish overnight. So you do nothing. You stay in a cycle of analysis paralysis. You spend hours researching, but you never actually invest. Because the fear of making a mistake is stronger than the desire to grow. And the gap between where you are and where you want to be just keeps getting wider. Stop overthinking the math. You don't need a finance degree or a secret tip from a Wall Street insider to build wealth. You just need a system that removes human emotion. This is the $1,000 blueprint. It's designed to take you from saving to investing without the stress of picking individual stocks. Let's break down exactly where every dollar goes. First, a reality check. If this $1,000 is the only money you have in the world, do not put it in the stock market. Instead, put it in a high-yield savings account, or HYSA. A standard bank gives you pennies. An HYSA gives you a real return while keeping your money liquid. This is your Sleep Better at Night fund. But if your basics are covered, it's time to move to the growth phase. You need a place to hold your assets. This is your brokerage account. Whether it's Vanguard or Fidelity, the goal is the same: low fees. High fees are the silent killers of wealth. Every 1% you pay in fees can cost you tens of thousands of dollars over 30 years. Now, let's get to the actual investing. Most beginners make the mistake of buying one or two hot stocks. That's gambling, not investing. Instead, we use index funds. An index fund lets you own a tiny piece of hundreds of companies at once. If one company fails, the other 499 carry the load. Here is the exact $1,000 split for a diversified, low-risk portfolio. First, $700 into a total stock market index fund. This gives you exposure to the entire US economy, from Apple and Amazon to the small companies you've never heard of. Second, $200 into a total international stock index fund. Why? Because the US isn't the only place where wealth is created. This protects you if the US market hits a rough patch. Finally, $100 into a bond index fund or keep it in your HYSA. This is your stabilizer. Now, here is the secret part of the automated wealth machine. The $1,000 is just the seed. The automation is the water. Go into your settings and set up a recurring transfer. Whether it's $25 a week or $100 a month, This is called dollar cost averaging. You buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when they're high. You stop guessing the right time to buy because the system does it for you. You've just turned a one-time $1,000 deposit into a lifelong wealth engine. Now the most important part, where you actually put this money. You need a low-cost brokerage to avoid fees eating your gains. I've linked my top recommendations in the description. These are the exact platforms I use to keep my costs near zero. Also, if you haven't built your emergency fund yet, start with a high-yield savings account. Use the link below to lock in the best current rate before they drop. So what happens next? By following this blueprint, that initial 1,000 becomes the seed for a massive nest egg. You aren't just investing cash, you're buying back your future time. If this guide cleared the fog for you, hit the like button. Subscribe to master your money and build automated wealth. Now stop overthinking it. Click the link, open your account, and put your first $1,000 to work today.